Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off restrictive mode on YouTube app. First of all, let's launch the YouTube app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see the logo of your profile picture. Then you want to go all the way up to the gear icon. You want to click on it. Then you want to click on General. When you click on General Settings, you want to scroll down and you will find a restricted mode. Currently it's off. I'm going to toggle this on and off so you will see how it actually works. Why this is so important? Because sometimes you will not be able to see particular videos if you not have this off. This helps to hide potential mature videos, content that requires particular age, that comes with age restrictions. And sometimes people who are publishing these videos are not specifically mentioning that these videos are with this particular age requirement. So this will simply help you to either prevent someone from watching these videos through your account or you seeing these videos. Also, a very important note is that when you actually change the restrictive mode on the mobile, that does not mean that logging through different devices on this account will have the same function saved. This means that if you have this account on tablet, on your PC or on other phone, you gotta go and you gotta log in through the other devices and you have to repeat the process. You have to go on each of the device and you have to turn off or turn on restricted mode. This is very important because this feature is really to prevent particular content to go in front of the wrong people. So this is why YouTube does not automatically align all in each setting that you're currently changing on one device to all of the devices. So if you really want to make the change all over the place, you have to gather all the devices in front of you and change the setting right away. Subscribe and come back for more.